Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making your dreams come true? What could I do to help you to get your life on a high level? Can you and me work together and get your next bit of adventure going? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. No matter what people think of you, always keep singing your own song. Regardless of what any of us ever do, people will always judge us. They will judge you if you do something. They'll judge you if you don't, even if you got the idea to go and try something new. But of course, this is your life, so why care what anyone else says? Go and do whatever it is that you want to do and be happy to live your life how you want. No one else's opinion really matters but yours.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.